Hot frozen water inside the concrete will damage your concrete driveway. In this video, you're going to learn about how water under freezing temperatures will damage your concrete driveway. Damaged concrete due to expansion and compression, known as freeze-thaw effect or spalling. That means the concrete in the surface peels. We recommend using Seal Green Concrete Sealer Concentrate with Salt Defense technology. It's a chemically reactive penetrating sealer, does not change the look of the surface, the concrete, and is environmentally safe. When it rains, the water penetrates the concrete. As the temperature drops below 32 degrees, the inside of the water will start to freeze. If it continues to rain or snow at below freezing levels, it will eventually build ice and snow on top of the driveway. Your concrete is now frozen inside and in the surface. Here's a sample of what happens. We fill a 5-gallon bucket of water to the rim. We expose it overnight to freezing temperatures, 32 degrees. This is the expansion that occurred. Ice expanded by 2 inches, as you can see here in the picture. This expansion took place because the water freezes and expands. The expansion happens to your driveway when it's frozen wet, except that the concrete driveway are not designed to expand, and therefore it develops microscopic cracks throughout the concrete. Eventually that will show up as a surface spalling or peeling. When you seal the driveway, it mitigates the water penetration into the concrete, preventing water from freezing and internal expansion, protecting your concrete therefore. When you use salt or snow melt on a non-sealed driveway, you allow the melted water to penetrate the concrete, and that will eventually create the expansion and damage your driveway. This is why concrete driveways or any outside concrete exposed to freeze and thaw requires to be sealed. We recommend sealing your driveway with Seal Green Concrete Sealer Concentrate with Salt Defense technology. For more information about the product, scan the code. You will find how-to videos, specifications of the product, application information, and pricing as well on the product. For more information, call 800-997-3873 or visit sealgreen.com.